You guys remember that loud M3 on the freeway screaming like a wild banshee? Well, it's this right here, up close, and this is the owner.
What's up, man?
What's up, dude? Hey, you mind telling the audience a little bit about that baby right here?
Sure. It's a 2008 BMW E92 M3. It was the only chassis that ever got a V8 in these cars. In my opinion, it's the second best sounding V8 next to the 458. Obviously you guys heard it. It's beautiful sounding. That's an IPE exhaust on this car. This car is my blood, sweat, and tears for a long time, long time. So pretty much everything's done to it. LibertyWalk kit, we got Aristo wheels on it, roller face big brake kit, Recaro seats, changed all the trims. It's the extended leather with fox red. Reupholstered the Recaro seats to fox red to match everything. You know, custom cage, rear seat delete, which is the very first rear seat delete in the M3s. That's made out of carbon fiber, and we went with the honeycomb carbon fiber. We did this in 2016, so now you're starting to see it everywhere. I like to think I'm a little bit of a trendsetter. So
I totally agree with you, dude.
Suspension on the car is an AccuAir E-level management on Bilstein PSS10 struts. We have a HP DriveTech bag out of Austria, and the car really runs really strong. I mean, there's hardly any body roll on it when we have the sensors all hooked up and going. The one thing I like about the E-level is that you can like just choose any level you want and it'll just go right to it. And we did a full custom trunk setup in it. You'll see the band on the bomb. That band is actually 24 karat gold dipped. And the reason why I wanted to do the gold band is because on a real bomb is signified with a gold band that it's live. If you see a blue band or any type of blue thing, that means it's not real. It won't blow up or anything. So that's why I was like, I have to have that.
That's dope, dude.
All the carbon fiber on the car is done by Dinman Carbon Fiber. And man, I'm gonna miss this car when she's gone.
Yeah, got sold. So we really happy for the new owner. He's not, because he's losing Miley. That's the name of the car. But Miley's gonna go to a cool owner that's gonna enjoy it as much as he did, I'm pretty sure.
Yep. And she's going to Iowa.
Oh! So stay tuned for YouTube videos for that, probably. I think if I'm the owner, I'm gonna make a lot of videos on this car.